Or the buzzer all set. Boses up. Time is on. Let's get it. Sisid sana sa bandang Wakali. But no good for Mangingisda. Shot locked down to 8. Husay! Pang! 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 Truly! Player 14 ng Barangay Inagawan. Jersey number 27. Jumper for 2 points. Isang napakakunat na court. Thank you for watching SK Kagawad ng Barangay Inagawan Sam. 4 minutes and 53 outside jumper. Pang! 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 Truly! Almost a break the defense but not that time by Husay number 14. Kurt Agis. Mga kaibigan, isang linggong pag-ibig na yung nadidevelop ng mga taga-barangay Inagawan. Huli pa mula kay Lipan going to the front court. Saw-saw na atake. 2-pointer by Silvia Jul at kay Dandoy. Magandang gabi. Thank you for watching. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. Outside jumper. Pasok na naman. Gigante from downtown. From the three-pointer, Kurt Agis, it's good! From top! At mga kabarangay natin for Inagawan, may tahan ng bola. Alcantara, Kurt inside number 11, 2-pointer! 13 against 20, 7 points ang abante. Speaking of masarap, napasarap yung biyahe ng 9 or abante ng 9 puntos. Ang abante ng mga taga-barangay Inagawan laban sa team ng Mangingisda. But the looper shot from downtown! Bang! 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 3 points! Pumutok na naman, number 11, jumpers. Ito sa ating ikalawang yugto ng paglalaro, pero nakawin yung bola by Kurt. Servancian, lumingon pa. Isalaya. The second quarter, humahanap ng magandang angulo. Gigante from the 3-point territory. Gigante for 3 points. Isinaya yung depensa nitong Alcantara. Servancia going for Agis. Si Kurt ang aatake. Oh, sumabay ka pa, boy. Good for 2 points. Yung kaliitang pero napakatibay at napakakulit din for team na Mangingisda. Pinagkatiwala. Jumper for 3. Pang! 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 3 points! Maganda. Muntik na mong pumasok. Pero mintisyon for team na Mangingisda. Carino going for Kurt. Agis. Good for 2 points. Panis yung kanyang defender. 22 seconds to go. Driving in the basketball not count. Traveling violation ko. 3-point territory. No good again by Kurt Agis. Husay number 6. Jumper for 2. Basketball count. 5 seconds na natitira sa ating pong second half, third quarter. 31-32. Shot lock down tonight. Good pass. And delivered. Inside, number 14 delivers good for 2 points. Kurt Agis. 5 minutes and 40. Shot lock down to 11. There was a troubling violation for team dito dahil yung mga tao dito hindi nang iiwan. But a kick out jumper. The 3-pointer. Kaboom! Husay! Bang! 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 Churri! Mangingisda. Kay Kurt Agis, extra pass and a jumper, Servancia again. Kanina nitong team ng Inagawan laban sa Mangingisda. Pero ngayon sa kanilang patuloy pong pagwasiwas, yun nga lang, bigla ring naka-reply. Good for sa pihit ng mga taga-barangay po nitong Inagawan. At for Mangingisda, sila na po yung... Hindi bumasket yung banat mula sa 3-point territory. Battling for rebound, 8 seconds remaining. Jumper for 2. Kaboom! Mangingisda, mga kabarangay, with 7 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Nakuha pa yung magandang pass. Gigante on drive. Gigante. 2-pointers! Isda laban sa team ng mga naka-green shirts. Into ganan, outside. Husay! Bang! 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 3 points! Number 19, Servancia or Celia Severo. Husay inside, jumper, good for 2 points. Ganan! The Rainbow. 4 minutes and 5, Kurt Agis delivers good for 2 points. Kurt Agis. Babaan na lamang. Shot lock down to 8. 3 minutes and 25. Hanap na magandang atake. Husay! Tiradang kaliitan pero kakuna. 38 seconds remaining time for this last in the final quarter. Agaw na mga taga-barangay Mangingisda. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Good for 2 points.